Hi there, a short tutorial here. We will try to reproduce that effect that I saw passing on DJ Union Global Facebook group. So you see just linear gradient in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 different size that goes from left to right with this kind of box mask over them. So let's try to do that into Smode. So this is kind of an experimentation because it's the first time I will try to do this effect. So we will see how it goes. So let's first create a 2D layer, which will be a linear gradient. Yeah, that I will set in vertical. Let's see if we already have this preset in horizontal. Sorry, black transparent. And let's put that in white. Okay, now let's put a 2D transform over it. And let's put now 4 different sizes of this black to transparent modifier. So first what I will do is to create another 2D transform. Maybe it will be easier. And this one, I will just call it loop. Okay, and let's do a position linear loop. Okay, so now I have my first loop. Let's do a Control Shift A. So let's call that like size 1. Okay, let's duplicate size 2, 3, 4 because we have 4 different sizes. And let's get rid of the last parametric. So let's put the 2D transform on size 4, which will be more or less this size. Control D. Size 3 will be a little bit smaller. Like that. What we have here 15, 8. Here let's put like 4 or 3. Okay, and on size 1 let's put like 2%, 1%. Let's see. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Okay, we'll see afterward. Maybe there's another way to do it, but let's start with that. And now let's put a mask over all of this thing. So to do a mask, let's create a mask first. What we need will be some kind of box effect. So we will use a noise because it seems like a noise to me. So let's use a noise, and over this noise, let's use a stylize, which will be the pixelate effect. Okay, like that. Okay, seems nice. Here, let's put colorize, and on this colorize, I will put that in bitone or in quadritone, and let's put that in quantize. So now we have only 4 different level of gray. The only trouble here is that I have not really full black here. Let's put a little exposure before the pixelate or after, but before would be better. So to add a little bit of contrast, so I have full white and full black. So then the pixelate will take more of black and white. It's not still not perfect. Okay, seems like a nice repetition. So I have 4 different color values here. So now let's use this mask to discriminate my different effects. So let's put a mask. Okay, layer mask. Okay, let's take this and put that into a composition, share this element, call it mask. Okay, so let's put this mask, mask, into the layer mask. So now I put a mask on the first big layer. And what we are going to do is to select one of the color I have here on my mask. So how to do that? How to be sure that I'm masking only with the black or gray or whatever. Then I will use my layer mask, and I will say that my layer mask is set as not a channel but a key, and I will select the black key. Okay. So now I have my effect that is masked except on the black key. So I will invert this process, and so now I have the invert. I have only on the black part this mask applied. Let's go in size 3. All right, but this time let's select a little bit grayer. Let's go now on size 2, and this time let's take a little bit whiter. And let's go on size 1, and we don't care about size 1 actually because it's at the bottom. And now we have kind of our effect going on more or less. Let's see what it was looking. Yeah, it was a little bit faster on this example. So let's augment a little bit the speed of our loop. And in the mask here, as a reminder, my mask is something like that. Let's add a little bit of transformation, like a distort, a 2D transform here. So to enlarge a little bit the process, let's put a linear mask on my 2D transform. Okay, and the linear mask has changed a little bit its direction. Okay, so now what I did with this 2D transform is just take my 2D transform, do some kind of transformation, and put a linear mask so my transformation only happen on the bottom, and to have this kind of effect that you see here on the video, which is more stretch on the top and with this kind of line on the bottom. And if we want to really add line on the bottom, well, what we can do is still into my mask put a 2D layer, which will be a black uniform. And let's put the transform on the Perno noise. Okay. And now put that here. So I can do that by hand or find another 2D transform to set up that effect. But then you have it. So yeah, here it is. And as again, as always, I will save this effect and put it in the description. Okay, see you later.